Welcome to the lesson on setting up Visual Studio Code, VS Code, for Python development. In this lesson, you will learn how to install VS Code, configure it for Python programming, and create your first Python script. This foundational step is essential for your journey into Python programming and database applications. Don't worry if this feels new at first. This section covers what's Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a free, open-source code editor developed by Microsoft. It supports various programming languages and offers features such as syntax highlighting, debugging, and version control. Its flexibility and extensive extensions make it a popular choice among developers for Python programming. Now, installing Visual Studio Code. First, download VS Code. Visit the official website at https://code.visualstudio.com. Click the download button corresponding to your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. Next, install VS Code. Once the download is complete, run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. You can choose the default settings. Finally, launch VS Code. After installation, open Visual Studio Code. You should see a welcome screen that allows you to create or open files. Let's move on to installing the Python extension. To effectively develop Python applications, you need to install the Python extension for VS Code. This extension provides features such as IntelliSense, code completion, linting, and debugging capabilities. First, open the extensions view. Click on the extensions icon in the activity bar on the side of the window or press Ctrl+Shift+X. Next, search for Python. Type Python in the search bar. The official Python extension by Microsoft should be the first result. Finally, install the extension. Click the Install button to add the Python extension to your VS Code environment. Now we're on Configuring Python environment. After installing the Python extension, you need to configure your Python interpreter. This allows VS Code to know which Python version to use for your projects. First, open the command palette. Press Ctrl+Shift+P to open the command palette. Next, select Python Interpreter. Type Python. Select Interpreter in the command palette and select it. You will see a list of installed Python versions. Finally, choose your Python version. Select the version of Python you want to use. If you haven't installed Python yet, you can download it from https://www.python.org/downloads. Now, creating your first Python script. Now that you have installed and configured VS Code for Python, it's time to create your first Python script. First, create a new file. Click on File in the menu, then select New File or press Ctrl+N. Next, save the file. Save the file with a .py extension, for example, hello.py, by clicking File, Save As. Finally, write your Python code. Type the following code into your file. I'll let you read the examples on screen rather than reading every line aloud. Run your script. To run your Python script, open the terminal within VS Code by clicking on Terminal, New Terminal, or using the shortcut Ctrl+Grave accent. In the terminal, type, run the command shown on screen to start your application. Press Enter to execute your script. You should see the output. Hello world. In this lesson, you learned how to install Visual Studio Code, set up the Python extension, configure your Python interpreter, and create your first Python script. These steps are crucial for your future projects in Python and database applications. Go ahead and work through this exercise. First, modify the hello.py script to print your name instead of hello world. Also, create another script called math_operations.py that performs basic arithmetic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Finally, explore the VS Code settings to customize your editor environment to your liking.